All right, folks, we got the ATG audio to go 12-inch dual voice coil, 5,000 watt max, but you're getting 1,500 watts RMS. It's got a double stacked magnet on it. The magnet kind of looks like the American base and the basket. Elite. Paid $150 a piece for them. Local flea market here in Detroit. Really impressed with the cone area on here and the high roll surround. I know one thing, me and my wife went out earlier to the flea market, talking to the guys that sell car audio about how hard it is to find stuff now since the scamdemic is going on and nobody wants to stock warehouses anymore. And it's hard to get them, because online, going looking for stuff online, everything is sold out or not available, things that you're looking for. So you got a 3-inch voice coil back there as well. Got plenty of venting. Dual voice coil again. You see the leads are sewn into or going through the spider. Okay, both sides. Take a look at the tinsel leads. Not very big. But should get 8 gauge, should be all right. Audio to go. Everything is screwed in. That's cool. When you have your tinsels, okay, you got your connections screwed in. That's pretty slick. It's got good quality to it. Very good quality, put together very well. It's about a good 30-pound speaker too, I can tell you that. It is a heavy boy. And that's your bottom, your pole venting. You're gonna put them in the 09 Malibu and see what they do. But I got 2 of them, and this is the unboxing for the ATG dual voice coil. Now you see some other ATGs out there, but they have a round high row. This is more or less the square, as you can tell. It's more square. But the cone area is mostly taken up by the center cap. It is a good looking speaker. I'm just bitten behind about spending $300 for 2. Based on going online looking at these, they're running a good $200 a pair unless you find them on sale. But then if you get them online, you got to pay for shipping. So at the end of the day, you're still going to end up paying $200 for them. But if you go locally to your flea market like I did, I was able to get them for $150. But I'm pretty sure they're going to bang. They have, let's take a look at the paperwork. Right quick. Take a look at the specs that you're going to need if you're going to have a sealed or ported box. And X-Max. 60 inches of X-Max or 0.60 inches of X-Max. So it's going to have some throw to it. They're going to be moving some air. Sensitivity for the 15, they both had the same throw as far as X-Max go, but the 15 has got a higher sensitivity on dB, 87.4, and you're looking at 84 for the 12. Okay, depending on what enclosure you're using, that all could make a big difference. Okay, but this is my unboxing review. There's my other one down there. I have yet to unbox it. But figured I'd just do one, put the video out, because there's not a lot of videos out there. If those have been looking at these ATGs, I'm going to come back with a video of them in the car. But they are a beast. Again, they kind of look like the Elite, American base Elite sub. That's what they kind of look like. They got the same basket and the same motor structure. So, yeah, we'll bring it back, do a review when we get them installed, break them in, get some demos going. Peace.